This is the collective reading for today. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If you are seeing this on your For You page, there might be a message for you. So, I haven't done any readings here on YouTube for quite some time now, and this is the perfect time to do a collective reading. For anyone who sees this, there might be a message. If it doesn't resonate, don't make it fit, and we might meet again sometime on another reading. So the first oracle card that came out is shine. So it means here that your light irritates their demons, or the people around you. They think that you are kind of obnoxious. They don't want the things that you're doing. They are seeing that you are actually shining, or you are doing your best, or they're seeing you that you are successful in life right now, and it irritates them. And with the clarifying cards here, it's saying you deserve whatever you have right now, if you are successful in life, because you have gone through a lot of negativity. And the clarifying cards here, it seems like the toxicity and the negativity, it's still there. You're still facing problems, you're still facing obstacles, and you are already at that verge of giving up. But the cards here are saying, even though there is conflict, there are hindrances that you're facing, do not give up, because you are already on your way to success. Or if you don't see the success yet, you are already successful because you're already fighting your demons at the moment. Okay, the next card that came out is kissing ass. So it means that the obstacle that you're facing right now is that you have to work with someone that you really don't like to work with. Or when it comes to a career reading, if this is a career reading, this is working with a very hard person to work with, or maybe it's a boss that you don't like, and you have to do whatever this boss wants you to do, because it will make progress, or the growth will depend on the boss and how your um rapport will be with each other. So in terms of working, you need to work well with this boss or with a coworker that you have. Even though you don't like it, you need to. Okay, this person, if this was about your career, it says here that you don't like this person because if the energy that this person is showing is very aggressive towards you, and you don't like aggressiveness. So this person is a go-getter, and it seems like this person is continually making things hard for you, but that is really what's meant to happen, because this is a learning curve. Your boss or your mentor is meant to teach you hard and tough ways in order for you to grow and succeed in your career. If this was a business partner, you don't like this person because it seems like the money is not coming in. Instead of you are growing abundance and prosperity, this person keeps on wasting money, or the money just keeps on flying everywhere, and you feel very out of balance, and you need to work with this person to get out of that ordeal, or to get out of that obstacle that you're facing right now. So you have to fix the problem, and the problem is whoever you are dealing with. Approach, or how you work with this person, is the problem that you are over analyzing, over reacting to, or actually overthinking about it. the last card here is the guidance for you if you are resonating with this reading, and the card that came out is Girl Fight. And it says here, you will be facing a lot of conflict and arguments along the way. And there are two options available for you. One is just to be patient and deal with whoever you are dealing with, because in the end, you will get some rewards if you are patient enough. The other option is just to leave whatever that is behind. So if you are in your career, you are at the almost at the climax and you are at the peak of your success, it says here you can leave if you don't want to deal with it anymore, and if you don't want success. So uh the the answer, it actually depends on you. Whatever you do, think of it that you will benefit from it, and you will be at your greatest good or your higher potential. So you can stay and you will earn the success that you want. And the other option is you can leave and have your peace of mind and not deal with whoever that is that you're dealing with right now.